Okay, welcome to In the Can. And so today I'm going to be making larb, which is a Southeast Asian ground pork dish. So to my pot I'm adding the ground pork and I'm going to brown it. And I'll be back when that's done. Okay, now I've got my ground pork browned up. I'm going to slice up an onion into the pot. You can mince the onion if you prefer, but I just like the slices. I want to add a quarter cup of carrot sticks. Give this a little stir. And I like my vegetables to be a little bit on the crunchy side, so I'm not going to cook them much. I'm going to add a tablespoon of red pepper. And a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. I like black pepper, so I'm not sure how much I actually added. Gonna give this a stir. Oops. Then I want two tablespoons of fish sauce. Two tablespoons of soy sauce. Two tablespoons of rice wine. I'm not sure that's going to be enough sauce to coat the noodles, so I'm going to double my sauce mixture. I've already cooked my rice noodles. Calls for 2 tablespoons or teaspoons of lime juice. There's one more ingredient I need to get. I need to go to the garden, so I'll be right back. So while it's winter here, I still managed to find a few sprigs of fresh mint leaves. I'm going to cut those up. You want about a 1/4 cup of mint leaves. Get this all mixed together. Now I'm going to put this on the noodles and stir to coat the noodles. Okay, let's plate some of this up. And here is our finished dish. Let's give it a little taste. That's pretty good. So if you enjoy this recipe, please give it a like. Please subscribe. And thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye.